I feel good. I don't think it has like set in that the wedding is tomorrow.
Very, very excited beyond what I can express at this point in time.
We are exhilarated, full of energy, excited, speechless, as well as emotional.
Now we are feeling very excited, and it's like kabhi khushi kabhi gum.
વેરી હેપી. બહુ અનએક્સપેક્ટેડ હતું. મેં વિચાર્યું નહોતું કે વિવેક અને દેવાંશીનું ને
This beautiful relationship that's now going to bloom into the union of two families together.
I think it's gonna hit like really hard at night. So we see. I'm good today. I'm good right now.
Feels like I want to stand up and start screaming, but yeah, maintaining my poise for this shot.
This is to my whole heart. You obviously know who you are. What do I say? We've been partners.
It's a very geeky, very naughty story. It's been 10 years, so we've literally grown up together, in CA final exams together. We've worked together for like a year and a half and hidden our relationship with colleagues over there. And a lot of ups and downs, a lot of fights, but we've like come a long way since.
And to my very best friend, love is patient, love is kind. It always protects, always trusts, always hopes, and always perseveres. I wish us love like a river that twists and turns. It changes and flows, it is powerful and free, but it's consistent and finds its way back to the sea.
I'm so happy. Devanshi is very sweet, very mixing.
Very caring, very I can say mature, responsible. My son, not my son-in-law.
And wishing them lots of happiness. ને એ લોકો ખૂબ જ મજા કરાય જિંદગીમાં, સુખી થાય.
They have a good chemistry with each other. They love each other so much.
And may God bless the couple. And we are very much excited to welcome Devanshi to our family.
We love you both
so much.
And I see this boy and he's just messaging like, I love you, or like all of these different kind of things to my sister. I'm like, huh? What?
They've dated in secret. Nobody knew about their dating for what, 5 years?
Are you dating someone? Is his name Vivek? She's like, yeah. How did you know? I'm like, I know. I've known for a while now.
In college days, I think they met each other.
Devanshi and I, we met in 2013 when we were in college together.
How we started liking each other was that we had tuition here at my house, like IT tuition here. And he would come every class at least half an hour early to talk to me.
So I used to reach half an hour early for a 1.5 hour class, which in itself used to look very, very creepy. But that was the only way I would get to spend time with her at that point in time.
And then that's when I knew that, okay, maybe this boy likes me, which is why he's like intentionally coming early, and that's how we started talking.
I saw her for the first time and it was just love at first sight.
Oh, I never thought I could get the chance
I can say that these two have survived the test of time. I mean, you know, it's not easy to date the way they dated. It's not easy to become CAs, you know, in first attempt. Yeah, they've helped each other through thick and thin. They've, you know, done some amazing achievements together.
I think there were no two people better meant for each other than those two.
And now we've finally stepped into this new chapter where we are just about to get married, and can't wait to see what the rest of the book looks like with her.
And it's crazy that we've gone through like so many phases of our lives together.
My whole person, my whole self is only for you. What message I'll give you?
I promise you one thing, that I'm going to love you through each and every up and down that comes by, and be there for you in no matter what situation life throws at us.
मन में कहते रहे वो जो कहना है तुमसे कभी, ये पल मिला तो कह दूं तुम्हें सब अभी.
This just feels like this is big, it's finally happening. Something we've spoken about the last 10 years is finally happening.
She's just brought out the best in me, and I couldn't have asked for a better person to have spent a whole decade of my life with.
Everything that we've ever dreamt of is gonna finally come true.
कि देखे जो तुम्हें तो देखते रहे, मन भरता नहीं. चेहरे से तेरी नजरें हटाने का दिल करता नहीं. जो साथ हो तेरा तो दर्द फिर मेरा टिकता नहीं. है गुर्बत कोई कि दूर जाने का दिल करता नहीं. ये कैसी आंखें तेरी ठहर जाए हम इन पे. ये कैसी बातें तेरी बहक जाए हम इनसे. तुमसे बातें करते रहे हम, और ये शाम ढलती रहे. ये कैसे नशा, ये कैसे कदम जो बढ़ते रहे तेरी ओर सनम. जाए जिधर दिखते हो तुम, सुनते तुम्हें जैसे मीठी सी धुन.
We were always friends, always best friends, and we still are best friends over anything else. But that was like a very easy shift. It was just like I just knew he's like I'm gonna spend the rest of my life with him. It was just that easy.
जो तुम हो इधर तो तेरे सिवा कुछ दिखता नहीं. गए तुम किधर कि तेरे बिना मन लगता नहीं. है कैसा नशा तेरे प्यार का जो मिटता नहीं. ये कैसे कहूँ कि तुमसे मेरा मन हटता नहीं. ये कैसी आँखें तेरी ठहर जाए हम इन पे. ये कैसी बातें तेरी बहक जाए हम इनसे. तुमसे
We all love you. I love you. Our family loves you. You are as much ours as you have been theirs for these many years. I think it couldn't have been a more prouder moment for the family than this, for sure.